Hi everybody, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Saturday, March the 7th, 2020. We have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. Let's begin with the seven in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then in this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here a 4, so no 4 there. I see there a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are left. I see here 2. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for a 3 is here and there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 there. I see there 7, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for a 7 is here and there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then in the middle row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers, but one of the 7 missing number is a 7. So let's see, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 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 We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 here. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 in this middle row is for the 7. Alright, then we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are 2 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 here. 6 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. The numbers are 1 and 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 1 in the last column, 1 in the column in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for a 1 is here and there. But I see here a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing and 9 is missing. In this column, I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here and there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row between, in the row above, the only 2 places for an 8 is here and there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for a 7 is here and there. But I see here in 7, no 7 here. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in the last column. The numbers are 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then let me see. Can we do something with the no, the 2 also not. The 1, yes, 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for 1 is here and there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for 1 is here and there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 1 is here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 4, and a 9. I see here 2. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Remember, for the 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be here. Then in this first column, 1, 2, 3, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 3, 4, and a 9. No. We have a 3. 2, 4, and 9. 2, 4, and 9. 2, 4, and 9. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 1 box is left for the 2, should be this one. 4 and 9. 4 and 9. We see here a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 is here and there, but I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for a 4 is here, here, and there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. I see here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 9. 1 missing number in this column for the number 5. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. 6 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, The 6 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so in the column between. The only 3 places for a 2 is here, here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. I see here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 is here. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 3 and 9. Can I fill this yet? No. 3 and 9. No. 1 missing number in this row for the number 3. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 6. Now, in this second row, we have 1 missing number. That is number 5. 3 and 9, yes. Now 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Hey, I cannot fill this yet. 3 and 9. The 3 and the 9 is also for this middle column. 3 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 3. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 there. No 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 is here and there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 5. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 6. And so we have finished this medium Sudoku in 12 minutes. Alright. Not so tough. This medium Sudoku, I like it. If you like it, thumbs up. Anyway, if you don't like it, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want. Thank you for watching. And have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Thank you and bye-bye.